check it out. So I'm using writer.com as an AI studio. I've taken Williams Company's earnings transcript. Actually, it's down here. I tried to upload two, but it only allows you to do one file. No matter, use a transcript because that's everything that was mentioned. And the way this works, we have a file input, so you can set up any number of inputs. And can I go? It won't let me do an overview. So we have different prompts that's going to execute. So quarterly results. So what are the results from this quarter? That's one block. Future guidance, another block. So here is the report. So it's going to pass what I do here, extracts it, and then it dumps it in here. So that's the report. It's kind of putting it in a tag. So now we have management. So how's management doing? Still same file, right? We're putting into different themes. So think about multiple outputs for the appropriate person. So if you got to write, you have the same content for company, but you have different parties, you have different personas that need different information. And so here's another one. So check it out. I just ran this, pretty happy with it. And so you can see quarterly results. Oops, and come back up here. So this is the quarterly results. So you can see you're a financial analyst. Here's the instructions. So did they hit the instructions? Adjusted EPS, financial information. So 3.5%. Gulf of Mexico business. Approved. Long-term growth. And it's talking about specific projects. And so then we get down to future guidance. What guidance did they provide? Well, so there we have it. We have information, EBITDA guidance, 7.0 to 7.1 billion. Here's management changes. What do they say? Who was on it? So there we see all of the people that were on it. Lane Wilson, talking to you. And we come down here. So there's future guidance and there's management. So pull out at least 5 themes. Did we get themes? Let's see, participant up here. Oh, is that, yeah, manage, see if we got, I don't know if, oh, there is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Increasing demand. And we come down here, participants, there they are. And then final quarterly result, quarterly report. Let's go down to the end, see how it did. And summary, output formatting. So did that, participants, future guidance, and it just put that as HTML tags, and that's why it showed up. Let's see, so select the voice to apply to your output. I don't need to tune up my voice, but that's pretty sweet, so I can tune up my voice. I think that's about it, but pretty sweet, pretty happy with it. Good job, writer.